Next, we have a news report. Our little reporter is ready. Please welcome Radal. Please welcome Ilha. Care for her. Assalamualaikum. This year, little reporter Fatima Ilfa from SKG, reporting live from the third annual day celebration of Jannat al-Ulum English Medium School. Our school campus is beautifully decorated and everyone is excited and happy. The program started with a warm welcome and a lovely prayer. Students are performing wonderful dances and speeches on the stage. This joyful and memorable day for our school community. Thank you. Wow, super Ilfa. You did very well.